Welcome, here I've got VIVAX Point X503 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's just simply slide a little bit to the right to the advanced camera settings, and here we have the picture size option to the back camera. So when we tap on it, we can manage aspect ratio with megapixels. We have two ratios, 4:3 and 16:9. This is connected with different quality, and of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 13 megapixels to 4:3 and 8:3 megapixels to 16:9 aspect ratio. And this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.